How to fix the extract audio problem in CapCut. Hello everyone. In this extremely quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get rid of the extract audio problem in CapCut. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, let's understand what's causing this issue. As you can see, we have an audio clip here. When we try to export the video, CapCut says Pro features used. Why does this happen? It's because we drag the audio file directly onto the video track, which CapCut sometimes flags as a Pro-only feature. Here's the fix. Tap the Import button in CapCut. Locate your audio file from your device and add it to the project. Now drag the audio file onto your video track. Export your video. That's it. You can now export without any errors, and the extract audio problem is gone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials.